When a doctor sees autoantibodies for a specific tissue on a blood test, he or she thinks that's evidence the immune system is targeting that tissue. But another hypothesis, backed by a mountain of evidence, better explains the role of autoantibodies. Japanese scientists wrote the following in 2009. Here we show that B cells, which produce antibodies to damaged tissues, are engaged in the process of wound healing. In this particular study, the researchers used splenectomized mice, which are mice that don't have spleens. No spleens means no B cells, and no B cells means they cannot produce antibodies. And they found that the wound healing was delayed in the mice. Then the researchers injected B cells into the mice to test the impact on healing, and transfer of B cells into splenectomized mice restored the wound repairability. In other words, antibodies are an essential component for healing damaged tissue. They are the immune system's cleanup crew for removing dead and damaged cellular debris. Here's a quote from Dr. Ray Peat on the issue. Rather than looking for foreign invading pathogens, this theory says it's primarily cleaning up messes caused by anything which is pathogenic. In one of the so-called autoimmune brain conditions, people demonstrated that the presence of the antibody to the brain tissue accelerates the recovery. So cleaning up the mess is really constructive, rather than always being the cause of deterioration. So let it be known that antibodies and autoantibodies are released to heal damaged tissue caused by estrogen.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide, by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.